In this video, I am going to show you how to download free VPN on Windows 10. This method I show you today is the best method so far to use free VPN on Windows 10. First, click on Start button and go to Settings. Now type here in the search box VPN. Click on Add a free VPN connection. Now click on Add a free VPN. This window will open up. But now you don't have to do anything here. First you have to open any of your favorite internet browser. Here search for VPN book. Now open the first website vpnbook.com. Scroll down and go to PPTP section. Now select a server here where you want to connect. I am selecting Germany here. Now copy this address and go back to this page. Paste it here inside server name or address. Select VPN provider to Windows built-in. Type connection name VPN. Select VPN type to PPTP. Now leave this option to username and password. Go back here, check the username and password. Now put this username and password in username and password sections. Click on Save button. Click here to connect to this VPN. As you can see that VPN is connected to the computer. Now close all tabs, and when you want to reconnect and connect it again to the VPN, just go to this internet or Wi-Fi icon and click on it. You can see that our free VPN is here, and if you want to disconnect or connect, just click on it and disconnect or connect to it. So that's it for this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like on this video. Also subscribe to TechViz channel. Thanks for watching.